Hey everybody, Brian Garcia, meteorologist, National Weather Service, San Francisco Bay Area, Monterey Bay regions. This is our western region map, and there's a lot of these purples and oranges. That's heat. It's going to get hot over the next couple days, as you've heard. So this is tomorrow, so we're talking Wednesday now. It's really going to start to heat up. So if we look up into North Bay here, we're 90s, 100s across a lot of the area. East Bay tomorrow, deep in the eastern parts of Alameda and Contra Costa County, getting into the upper 90s, low hundreds. Right along the bay shoreline, not as bad. The peninsula still staying relatively cool because of that marine influence. Tuck back in behind here out towards Cupertino and places like that. It's definitely going to be warm, but the coast is going to remain relatively cool. Go down to South Bay, into the upper 80s, low 90s, and down into the Monterey area, warming up significantly as well. So if we look at Thursday, which is our heat day, Thursday, look at this. North Bay, we're going to be looking into the hundreds. East Bay, as we go down into East Bay, deep into the triple digits, so we're really going to be cooking here. Even in Marin County, so that Bayside, really warming up. The city, we're looking at about 80 degrees in the city. There will be pockets, like the southeast corner of San Francisco, that will exceed that. That will get to like 85, potentially 90 for a short time. So something to watch. As we get farther south on Thursday, you can see temperatures down in Santa Clara Valley really warming up, even Santa Cruz, because of the way the winds are blowing. So down all the way into Monterey, we're going to warm up. San Benito, if you're going to Pinnacles National Park, take water. Take lots of water. If you're doing anything outside, take lots of water, drink lots of water, and make sure that you watch out for heat exhaustion and heat stroke. As we go into Friday, take a screenshot of Wednesday, pretty much paste it on Friday. That's pretty much what we're looking for. So as such, on Thursday, Friday right now, we do have heat advisories out. Those are in the orange areas, and excessive heat warnings. Those are in the magenta areas. So that's what we got out right now. And then going into Wednesday through, that's Thursday through Friday. So Wednesday, tomorrow, into Friday, we have some areas of those heat advisories. And then we got those excessive heat warnings coming in on Thursday for the heat. All right. So let's continue on here. So we got wind issues too. This is up aloft on the right side here, and on the left side that's down at surface, so we're talking a couple thousand feet up here. So I'm just going to click through this really quick, but the thing I want you to notice is on Thursday morning. Thursday morning is going to be an interesting one because we actually have some winds up across the peaks coming across from the north and northeast, whereas at the surface, very light winds. So there will be some wind on Thursday morning and then going into Thursday afternoon. By the time we get into Friday, though, Friday the winds are really going to kind of tank off, especially up here. They're really going to slack. And then along the coast, we'll see a little bit of an onshore push. So we should get a little bit of a cooling from the ocean coming in on Friday. So that's good. But with any sort of wind, of course, we worry about fire danger. It's something we're watching. So the main thing is don't be that spark that starts a fire, because if we do have something go, it's potential that it could run, especially in the grasses. So be fire safe. Just don't light anything out there. The other thing that we're concerned about, of course, is your ocean safety, because a lot of people are going to be heading to the beach this week to escape the heat. I know a lot of the kids are out of school already. So if you're going to the beach, make sure that you're careful of rip currents. Rip currents don't care who you are or when it is. They're always there, especially if you're going out someplace like Ocean Beach or down in San Mateo County or Santa Cruz. Any of our coastlines have significant rip currents. And, of course, our water is very cold out here. Right now, the water temperatures out at the buoys are running anywhere between the mid and upper 50s in the ocean waters. So that's enough to bring you into cold water shock. So make sure that you're prepared for that. If you're going to go in the water, wear a wetsuit. If you don't know what the ocean's like and how it treats you, make sure that you wear a wetsuit and a life jacket, because at the end of the day, we want you to survive. So rip currents and cold water, those are beasts. So all that to say, if you don't follow us already on social media, at NWS Bay Area, take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and most of all, be good to each other. See you, everybody.